Hello! In this video, I will show you how to manual quiz approval works in the Academy and how you can use it to monitor learners' progress. Manual approve allows administrators to evaluate learners' results more carefully. In this case, a quiz is considered complete only after it has been approved by an administrator. To enable manual approve, open the desired quiz and go to the Settings tab. Then activate Manual Approval option. After this, a new Manual Approval tab will appear in the quiz interface next to the Settings tab. On this tab, you can see three lists of works: Pending Approval, works that need to be reviewed; Approved, works that have been confirmed; Rejected, works that have been declined. You can review works directly from this page or go to Home Task Center. To review a work, simply click on it. During the review, the learner's answer appears on the left side with the time spent on each question displayed. Here you can also leave the question feedback by text comment or record a voice comment and mark answers as correct or incorrect. The system automatically evaluates the correctness of answers according to the quiz settings, but you can override this and adjust the points awarded for each question. On the right side, you can see the general information about the quiz: quiz title, learner's name and email, completion date, time spent on the quiz, and score of a learner. After reviewing, you can also leave a quiz feedback by text or by a voice record. You can also approve or reject the work using the corresponding buttons. If needed, you can reopen the work and review it again. For quizzes with written answer questions, the AI assistant is also available. It analyzes learners' answers based on your notes and can automatically suggest a score and feedback. Once the work is approved or rejected, the result automatically appears in the Learner's Result tab. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!